1 in 3 women and girls experience violence in their lifetimes. She could be your sister, daughter, mother, friend, or someone at your school or office, or you. Violence against women and girls is unacceptable. It is a global health problem that has reached pandemic proportions. It is the most condoned crime and a human rights violation that is holding us back from reaching sustainable development. Violence against women and girls must be stopped. Stop impunity. Stop victim blaming. Join the movement for gender equality. There is no excuse for violence against women.